The first step in using the key safe is opening the compartment door. Begin by opening the shutter door to reveal the dials. The safe is preset to initially open at 0000. Press down on the release button to open the door. Guide the door down to fully open it. To set your own combination, find the reset lever and push it left and down. The lever will remain in this position. Rotate the dials to set your desired combination. As an example, we'll use 2, 4, 6, 8. Push the set lever up and right to return it to the original position. Close the key safe compartment door and scramble the combination dials to lock the door. Don't forget to store your new combination at masterlockvault.com. Masterlock. Tough under fire.